welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I will be playing Tower of Heck. This is my first time playing it in this video. And today. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh, what is this? I have no clue what this is. If I'm a pro at this, I'm gonna be in shock. Okay, what is it? Okay, so if you guys never heard of me, I'm Bobby Zap. Is that Piggy? I'm the weirdest noob on planet Earth. No, I'm just kidding. So if you guys don't know who I am, and you don't know who the heck is this guy, I'm Bobby Sam. Nice to meet you. I am a YouTube person. I do videos every day now. I try to do what you guys ask for. Except getting 1 million subs. I can't get 1 million subs. How did I die? Sorry guys, that was oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, so good. My thing came off. How'd you die right here? Yeah, there we go. So now I'm gonna be doing, like it right here. I'm gonna be like doing I'm gonna do videos like you see that corner right there? Yeah, I am going to be doing videos on that. Okay? That cool? Good. I have no clue. Okay. What is this game? I'm actually really curious. Alright guys, so I've been doing all of these games a lot of times. So, yeah, I have never ever done this game before, Zombie Tag. And I haven't played all the games like that blah blah blah, that blah blah blah, this. Okay? I'm gonna go to the hospital. Give me into the hospital. Okay, so if you guys are new to the channel, I am Bobby Sam. Nice to meet you. Okay? So I am Bobby Sam. I do Roblox videos now. And if you guys get me to like 1 million subs, that would be thank you. Or maybe 1,000, because then I can go live, I think. And if you guys follow me on TikTok, I would love that. But you got my TikTok, I forgot what my TikTok is. Let's go to the hospital. Hey, what you doing? Why do people want to go to Titanic? Fine, Titanic. What's up? Titanic has the most. Okay, so a lot of people ask Bobby Sam, Bobby. Don't ever call me Bobby Sam. Bobby, why are you doing this? Why are you doing all of this kind of stuff? Well, I wanted to do YouTube ever since I was little. Not really. But, I've done YouTube since I wasn't even in this house right now. So like, if people don't recognize me, go to my YouTube channel and go to and scroll all the way down. You will see little me. Little me as a kid, I did not know what I was doing. My brother had a YouTube channel, so I wanted to make a YouTube video with him. And we did baseball, and you know, I have a baseball game today.
Okay, then let me get back up.
And so, like, I want everyone to know, like, if you're not doing good and stuff, always do your best. Never give up on what you dream for. And like, yeah, this is my new Roblox channel, I think. I do have Roblox, have not. So yeah, you probably say, Sam, why are you all like this and won't always be all hyped up? Not for this YouTube video. I don't know why. It's just every time video, it feels like I'm being annoying. When I'm annoying, people like say, hey, you're annoying sometimes. And I'm fine with it, but just like, you know, I'm gonna be hyped up for that. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bobby Sam, and I am playing this game for the very first time. I don't have that much time left, but I don't care. We will be doing this every single day. I will be doing this YouTube channel 7 days a week. 7 days a week, hopefully. So everyone, like, you know, love, support everyone. Holy! I almost said holy cow. Oh God! So this is my first time playing it. Someone's up here. Oh, it's a ghost coin. Okay.
I'm not. I'm at full HP and full health.
Okay. Servers 1. Okay. So, if you guys don't know what I am or what I'm doing, I am a YouTuber. Okay, I have done YouTube since for a long time. So, and I just been all crazy and all. So, I love you guys, and hopefully I will get to see you in the next vlog. I will. Okay, so I am a piggy YouTuber. Not that much piggy, but I play piggy like 24/7. Not gonna lie. Okay, guys, if you guys aren't subscribed to me, please. And I will see you in the next vlog. See you later. See you later. Bye.